Yo, 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 yo. How we doing? How we doing, boys? Alex, Brian, SS Trades, Facetto. How we doing, my boy? Welcome in, welcome in. Like up the streams. Go crazy, boys. Go crazy on the likes, boys. Go crazy on the likes. Get it rolling. Can you guys hear me on the YT? Everything sound good? Music good? Everything loud enough? Let me know if everything sounds good. Tyler, how we doing, my boy? Yes, all good. All good. All right, everything looks good. What up, Deej? How we doing, Haiti? Ray Rivers, how we doing, my boy? How are we doing? Chillin', bro. How you doing today? Doing good, doing good. Alan, how we doing? Scale Trades, Florida. What's going on, guys? If you guys are tuning in on the TikTok or the YT, make sure you like up the stream. Get the likes rolling early, boys. Cole, Ryan, JMC, how we doing? How we doing? Scale Trades, thanks for tuning in on the TikTok, on the YT. Make sure you guys tune in, drop likes. Let's get it, let's get it. Everything sounds good. I want to be hearing the dubs. Yo, yo, what up, what up, what up? Love it. Silas, how we doing? Munya, what's going on? TikTok, like up the stream, boys. Like it up, like it up, like it up. How we doing, boys? How we doing? Gonna go over what I'm kind of thinking for the session. We're just tapping off a hourly order block right now. We left relative equal lows. I think we need to come sweep these one more time here. I'm gonna wait to see what happens with this 5, and then we'll go from there. Yo, how we doing, boys? Hunter Meyer. Let's make some money. Let's make some money. Let's get it, boys. Let's get it. How we doing? How we doing? We just tapped a weekly. I know we did. I know we did. We left dead relative equal lows though here. I think we're gonna need to resweep this, especially for that 4-hour candle. We're gonna need to sweep that. So I see this coming down a little bit here. You're not Benjamin? I am not. My name is DEEJTRADESS. If you guys are tuning in, make sure you guys tune in every single day. We're gonna be live here. How we doing? How we doing? How's the AM session for you guys? How's the AM session? If you guys are just tuning in, make sure you guys like up the stream. Just ain't right. How we doing? Greetings from Europe. Alex, what's going on, my boy? All good. Got a new account today with code Ben. Love it. Love it. See what happens here. See what happens here. We are inside this 5-minute. Don't think we're gonna come down now. Blur, how we doing, my boy? Measy, what's going on? Gonna try and catch some dubs for you guys tonight. See what happens here. See what happens here. Yeah, what a day, boys. What a day. What a day. What a day, what a day. How many guys took longs? How many guys took shorts? Let me know, let me know. Santiago, how we doing? I think I have the worst luck, 7 break evens this month. It's alright, it's alright. Yo, how we doing? Trucking Full, what's going on, my boy? Code Ben on all platforms. Code Ben on everywhere, boys. Code Ben everywhere. Flat all day. Haven't taken a trade since last Tuesday. Might be cooked. It's all right. I was up 2.8k in shorts trying to pass AVAX deals. Ended up blowing the accounts. Wow. Make sure you use code Ben. Code Ben. Make sure you guys like up the stream on the TikTok, on the YT. Get it rolling. We're going to try and catch a dub for you boys tonight. I've had 7 break-evens in the last 3 days. That's alright. It's alright, my boy. It's alright. Exurlian, how we doing, my boy? How'd you and Ben meet? He came across my streams a while ago. A while ago he did. A while ago he did. Let's get it, boys. Unlucky, unlucky. I know, I know. How we doing in the YT, the TikTok? It's 27MD. How we doing, my boy? We're in the 15-minute too. Yeah, we're in the 15-minute OB here. We just inversed this 15, so I don't know if we're going to come higher or not. We're looking like the structure wants to bring us higher. This 15 looked like an open, low, high, close. So we'll see. We may want to come higher. We may want to come higher here a little bit. May want to come higher. I don't know if we're going to want to come sweep some of these internals first and then go. We may want to. If this 5-minute goes, though, I mean, that's confirmation that we're going to come to the downside. So if we're going to inverse this 5, we'll look to find some continuations back here. Once we sweep this 4-hour low, I'm going to be mega bullish. Mega bullish. Once we take these lows, I'm going to look for some sort of reversal out of here. Try and catch some longs. We can't leave those relative equal lows, right? No. That's what I'm thinking. I want to take these relative equal lows. I'm going to look for an opportunity to get to those, and then from there, we'll look to long. How's your day been so far, Revelation? Good, my boy. Good. How are you? How are you? How are you? Bullish buys today and tomorrow? Yes. I mean, if we just take a peek at the 4-hour, we haven't had a green 4-hour in so long. We're starting a doji here. I want to see this start to turn up. Want to see this start to turn up here. We might be patient. If this 5 goes inverse, we'll see if we want to come down here. If we do, off the open, maybe the open will give us a nice drive lower, find our manipulation, and get out of here with some long entries. Blew 2 Apex PAs yesterday. It's all good, my boy. Which time frame are you using? All time frames. All of them. This is the 5-minute currently. How we doing, boys? How we doing? What up, brother? Palanca, how we doing, my boy? Let's hit a banger tonight. Yeah, I'm ready for a banger, Hunter. Thank you for tuning in. You trade gold? I do not know. We can take a peek at it, though. We can take a peek at it. Oh, gold is just coming down. Gold is just coming down. You take into consideration the midpoint of yesterday's range or just the low and the high? Just the low and the high. Waiting for equals to get swept in longs? Exactly. I want these equals to get swept. We left dead relative equal lows, almost dead relative equal. Want to see those get swept, and then we'll look for some long continuations out of here, boys. We'll see. How was your trade this morning? It was good. We were in a long break even, short, got break even, unfortunate. Hey, okay. Fernando, how we doing? You see the low at 29,241. Yes, I do see that low down there. I think we're gonna get more of a bullish reaction out of that first. Yo, Ben, Deej just watching your stream. What? Deej, what's good? Alex, how we doing, my boy? Maybe tomorrow we come back. Yes. We'll find something tomorrow and today, boys, and today. And today we're gonna find a banger for you, boys. How we doing, boys? Like up the stream on the TikTok. We're at 1.4K likes. Like it up, get it rolling on the YT. Made 300 plus on your call this morning. Couldn't run to TP. Got my wins and dip. Good trade, bro. Appreciate it. Yeah, we got a little bit of the piece there. Didn't get full delivery though. No full delivery. Wow. It's not even gonna give us a chance to take the shorts. Maybe if we get a massive pullback up here, we'll see if we can't enter. But want to see these lows get swept. Let's get it, Mr. DJ Junior Man. How we doing, my boy? You train the AM tomorrow? I will not. I will not be. You are on long and short? What do you mean? What do you mean, my boy? Will you be available next AM session? I will not be. Not tomorrow, no. Not tomorrow, no. You got 9 seconds for this 5. I do not want this to suck back up in here. If it does, it's gonna look mega bullish. Alright, let's see here. Welcome back, DJ. How we doing? How we doing? Hunter, another strong DOL. Yes, we have these lows down here. Ben, you look different. This is not Ben, that's why. This is now an inversion, boys. This is now an inversion. Is there certain days you will be on AM or is it random? It's kind of random. I'll let you know if I'll be on for the AM or not. Alex, how we doing? Can you turn the music down like 2 notches? Is the music too loud, boys? Music too loud or no? On the YT, let me know. Ben's on vacation? Yes, he is. A little. How's that, boys? How's that? Maybe a little. Is that better, boys? Is that better? How'd you change the rectangle for the inversion? You just click on it, and I have presets. Perfect. Perfect. Let's go, let's go, let's go. There's the retest there of the inversion. Can you shout out my friend Bruno? Bruno, shout out Bruno. W's in the chat for Bruno. Where can we find the higher time frame candle indicator? Music's fine, sounds fine, love it. It's on the indicator. It's called HTFPO3. Right here, HTFPO3. Power of 3 by 2 degrees. By 2 degrees. Let's get it. You looking for a sell or a buy? I'm looking to find shorts until these lows get taken. I want to see these lows get swept, and then we'll look for some longs. W's in the chat. W's in the chat. You took anything yet? No, 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 no. I would love to take something like this, but 5 minutes gonna flip here. W's, W's, W's. Yeah, well, we're gonna wait for the open here. We're gonna wait for the open. Maybe the open will drive us lower. Get a little reversal here. You guys are joining on the TikTok. We have 3K likes. Like up the stream. That's a lot of likes. Let's get it, boys. I want to get to 10K. On the YT, make sure you guys like up the stream. Make sure you guys tune in every single day, 7:30 p.m. Eastern. Make sure you guys use code BEN on all firms to get the best discount, boys. Code BEN. Make sure you got accounts ready to rock and roll. We're going to get going here. We got 18 minutes till the open, boys. 18 minutes till the open. I want to see these lows get swept. If this 15 is going to give us a 15-minute change in the state, we're going to look for some shorts here. We're going to look for some shorts. Do you not think it would take that retesting liquidity a little higher than stop loss and dump if your lows aren't swept? No, not necessarily. If this 15-minute gives us a 15-minute change in the state here, that's pretty much confirming me that we're going to go down. Look to take an entry, see if we can't get a retest or sweep with some internals, and then find the lower. There's the 15-minute. I'm going to change this to the hourly. It's on the hourly. Let's go. Hourly is looking major rejection-y. Scared second payout. What's the biggest mistake I can make from now on? What do you mean, the biggest mistake? Just over-risking. Any giveaways today? Probably not, no. Do you not think it would take... I already read that. What's the setting on the higher time frame indicator? What do you mean? Here are all the settings. Alright, boys. We got the open here in about 14-15 minutes here. 14-15 minutes. Alrighty. 264 people on the YT ready to rock. Type a 1 in the chat if we're ready for the dubs today. If we're ready for the dubs, we are going to catch a banger. We got the open here in 16 minutes, 15 minutes. Let's get it, boys. What do you press on your keyboard to change intervals like that? Just the numbers on the right side of the keyboard. 1, 5, enter, 5, 3, 30, 240 for the 4 hour. Yeah, we'll see here. We'll see if this 5 minute wants to give us, maybe it wants to give us a failure swing high here. Maybe off the open, if we get a rip here and a failure swing, then we can find these lows. Either way, from these lows, I'm going to be looking to take longs. If we get a failure swing high here, find an inversion to the downside, we can look to take some shorts here. Other than that, I'm really not too fond of taking shorts, but we were just so oversold. See where that 15 minute close. 15 minute did not give us the change in the state there. So we'll probably come and sweep this low. We may bounce from here again. We'll see if we get a bounce. I would love to see those swept though. How long have you been trading? A little bit over 5 years. What's your plan for today? I just went over that. I want to see these lows get swept. I want to see these lows get swept. We left dead relative equal lows here. Once we sweep those lows, I think we're game for some longs, boys. I think we're game for some longs. Game for the longs. Let's get it rolling, boys. On the YT, like it up. Been training for 5 years. Yes, 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 yes. You think Asia Open's gonna sweep them? Yes. I got my first payout the first month. I passed my eval. ES is already taken. Yes, ES has already taken them, but in tune, I'm gonna expect ES or NQ to take them too. Look at that hourly, just turning down and flipping. This next hourly is gonna be a high. Boom, we're gonna wick, and then we're gonna displace and turn higher. It's gonna be great. It's gonna be fantastico. It's gonna be great, boys. Gonna be great. I've passed 5 accounts so far on my trading journey. Been trading for almost 1 hour, but still haven't gotten a payout yet. Should I stop? Is that bad? I've been having doubts. 1 year. Oh no. Keep going, my boy. Really, first month of trading when you started? Yes. Passed my first account. Got 5 more accounts, and then yeah. All right, boys. Let's see these lows get swept here. See if we can't get the lows swept here, boys. Lows want to be swept. Lows are gonna get swept here, boys. We got 13 minutes till the open. How'd you do it so easy the first month? Did you study before? Just go to like that? I spent almost 4 years studying the markets, learning, losing money, figuring stuff out, and then yeah. So I mean, it does take time. It wasn't just, oh, I first got onto the charts 1 month and then got a payout. I studied for 3 to 4 years, went through options, Forex, now I'm at futures, and yeah. What Apex accounts do you recommend? Any Apex accounts are awesome. If you use code BEN on Apex, 90% off, no consistency in the evaluation. You can pass in 1 trade, boys. You can also stack 20 of those accounts together, copy trade them all, get a payout on 20 accounts at once. No denied payouts on Apex. Been trading 3 years, still haven't gotten a payout. I've got to make 500 for 4 days for the payout. Do you think I can do it? I think you can, my boy. I think you can. Keep pushing. Keep pushing. I started trading before learning. Big mistake. Exactly. Exactly. How many funded accounts do you trade? A lot of people ask this question. I like to have 20 Apex accounts. I love the Apexes, the Lucid Pros, Tradeify Selects, all with code BEN. Can't beat me. How we doing, my boy? How we doing? Yeah, if you guys use Tradeify, make sure you use code BEN. It gives you the best discount possible. Hey, Deej, did you charge your phone? I did. Y'all saw the X post, and y'all I know someone's gonna say something about it. That's funny. That's funny. All right, boys, let's get it rolling. Let's get it rolling. What's the difference between options and futures? I trade futures. Google. Use Google, please. What do you want to see after the equal lows get swept to enter? You'll see in live time, in real time. I'll let you know. Mendoza, thank you, my boy, for the gifts. We catching a banger today, Polar Monkey? We are, my boy. We are. Did you win today? Took 2 trades, both break evens. One of them was up about 60 points. Got an unfortunate break even. We were about 20 points away from full TP. We're so close. We were so close, boys. All right. Yo, Andre Cardenas. How we doing, my boy? How we doing? Chat, I am looking for these lows to get swept, and then we're going to find some longs here. We are going to find some longs. I am waiting for these lows to get swept. Waiting for lows. Yo, Deej, how we doing? Been looking for your channel. Couldn't find any link or something by name. On all socials, boys. If you guys are wondering who I am, my name's DEEJTRADESS. I stream here for Ben on the Asia session. We trade very similarly. A lot of people say we are very patient, very knowledgeable in the space. We're about to absolutely take over the space. If you guys are not following all of our socials, make sure you guys follow on the TikTok, the YT, the Instagram, YouTube, YT, all that stuff. But yeah, there's the socials right here, DEEJTRADESS. What time frame are you watching? This is on the 1 minute now. It's on the 1 minute here. Which session are you more profitable in, New York or Asia? Recently, Asia. Can you move screen over to see price? No, I'm not going to do that on the TikTok. Then it throws everything off because then my screen's all the way over here. And then I'm live on the YT too, so you can't see where it is at on the screen. It's going to be weird. Make sure you guys like up the live on the TikTok. Like it up. We're at 10K likes. Get it rolling. I've been following your content since you were streaming on TikTok, bro. Appreciate it, my boy. Can't find it on YT. Do you have a YouTube channel? I do. Why are you trading for Ben? I'm not trading for Ben. I have my own accounts. I trade for myself. We're on Ben's account, though. Do you ever use the 5-hour time frame? No, I do not. You only trade NQ? I do, yes. Yeah, if Asia Open manipulates us higher and we run some of this LR, we can look for the setup to find to the downside. If we get a massive rip off the open and we take some of this LR and we get up here and we start stalling, we can find a setup to come take these relative equal lows. I don't know if that's going to happen though. I think we're going to probably rip lower off the open, but we'll see. We'll see. Anything's possible, boys. Anything's possible. So we just got to react here. We got to react. We're waiting for the open. We got 9 minutes till the open. 9 minutes till the open. 5 minutes till the open. Let's get it. Let's get it. Yeah, if not, then the opposite. Hopefully clean PA. Hopefully we get some clean PA here for Asia. Hopefully we get some clean PA here for Asia. Let's get it. Let's get it. How did your guys' morning session go? Who caught dubs? Type a W in the chat if you guys caught a dub this morning. I want to see who caught dubs. Who caught dubs this morning? Let me see them. Let me see them. W's in the chat. We got 8 minutes till the open, boys. Hopefully we can come sweep these lows off the open. You trade all 3 sessions? No, not London. Not London, no. Win. Coop got a win. Braylon got a dub. Ball McCartney got a dub. Vertu got a dub. Everyone's catching dubs. Love it, love it, love it. Lost hella, it's all good. W's, W's, W's. Everyone's catching dubs, huh? Oh, afternoon session? Yes, sometimes. Where's Ben? Ben's in Spain. Ben is in Spain. Ben is in Spain, boys. Ben is in Spain. Make sure you guys like up the YT, like up the TikTok, get it going. We got 12K likes on the TikTok. Let's get to 20K likes. Should do full port evals. I've been stuck in eval jail for 3 weeks. I go heavy on my evals, boys. I go heavy on the evals. There's no point in sitting there wasting time on them, right? I'll hold myself accountable, though. My losses were all due to me breaking my own rules. Simple as that. And that's all it takes, is just holding yourself accountable. Unc, where you have been? I never saw you live on your account anymore and thought we lost you. No. We are live on the YT on Benjamin SMC's YT. Let me post this on. Alright, posted it on my TikTok so you guys can see here. Alright, there we go. There we go. Now you guys know. This is not Benjamin. This is not Benjamin. I am DEEJTRADESS. Make sure you guys follow me on all the socials. We'll see you in the afternoon on TikTok. Yes. Yes. We got 260 people here on the YT. Make sure you guys tune in. We're about to catch a banger. About to catch a banger, boys. About to catch a banger. Bounce off nothing. I know. Primal, what's cooking, my boy? How are you? Moreno, what's going on, my boy? If market rips down, open low, then we go. Yes. Kind of what I'm hoping here. I want to see these relative equal lows get swept. Our 4 hour has got to take. I mean, we've got to take these, right? Got to take these, huh? ICT learned concepts from you. No, he did not. With a picture, funny, you get 5 accounts instantly. I'm not sure if you can package deal. I'm not sure. Not sure. He learned them from me. I did indeed. Learned a lot from Mr. Primal. What's that marked down on top? It's a 15-minute order block. 15-minute OB here. Or an hour OB, sorry. Wait a sec. ICT learned them from me? Oh, yeah. Yes, he did. Oh, yes, he did. Poopster, how we doing, my boy? Alright, let's see if we get this expansion out of here. You missed the New York shorts by 10 minutes? I know. How old are you, Deej? I am 25 years old. 25. We got 3 minutes till the open, boys. I want to see this 3 minutes. I want to see the open move us lower. Again, we're getting kind of that AMD profile, right, where we have the consolidation here. We want to see us manipulate and get a distribution, find some sort of inversion, and we'll take longs to the upside. You gonna be live for New York tomorrow? No, I will not. Make sure you guys tune in every single day on the Asia streams. We are live on the YT and the TikTok. Make sure you guys use code BEN as always to get the best discounts. Apex Trader Funding is 90% off with code BEN. No consistency in the evaluations. Do you have your own YT? I do. Make sure you guys drop follows. What session do you perform best in? I've been liking Asia, but I used to be New York. Now it's Asia. Good evening, everyone. Rough Duck, how we doing? We got 2 minutes till the open, boys. 2 minutes till the open. 1 minute till the open here, boys. 1 minute till the open. Bullish or bearish? I want to see these lows swept, then we'll look for longs. Is that kind of what you're thinking, Primal? We are long central right now, I think. Worked for Jordan Belfort? Yeah, he did. Good, good, my boy. Thank you for tuning in. The hour is what the order block's on. Learning a ton from both of you guys. Appreciate it, appreciate it. We are live every single day, boys. We are live every single day. Wow. There's the 1 to 3, Primal. There's the 1 to 3. We gotta open it in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Let's get it, boys. Let's print. Let's freaking print. I want to see a massive drive lower. I want to see a massive drive lower. I want to see a massive drive lower. I want to see a big drive lower here. What are you looking for? I want to see these relative equals here on the hourly, on the 15-minute get swept, and then we'll look for some longs. I'm hoping this 15 starts to engulf here. We got the 5-minute change in the state. This is going to come down here. But hopefully we can find the longs after we take this sell side here. Can I be the next henchman like you? What do you mean? What do you mean, my boy? We got 300 people here on the YT. We got 200 people here on the YouTube or on the TikTok. Make sure you guys tune in every single day. My name is DEEJTRADESS. We're about to catch a banger here for you, boys. Thank you guys for all tuning in. Type a W in the chat if you're ready for this session. Let's freaking go. Let's get it. Let's get it. All I'm waiting for, boys, is I want to see these lows swept inside this weekly, and I want to see this move higher. I want to see this move higher. We're about to sweep previous day low. I want to see this expand lower, make the low of the day, and expand higher here. Just want to see us move higher. There's the fair value gaps that need to get inverse. Yes, there is, but we're going to wait to see if we can't find a setup here, boys. Gonna see if we can't find a setup. Whoa. Whoa, what just happened? Whoa, what just happened? Whoa, what just happened? Primal. Oh, damn it. Primal, you see this shit? That you see me mark that out? Wow, my guy. Wow, I had that marked out too. What the heck? Benjamin SMC in the chat. How we doing? How we doing? That's a crazy, crazy candle there. Holy cow. Almost 100 points. Death candle. Did it take those 4-hour lows? Oh, no, it didn't. Dang. Really wanted to see us take those. Holy cow, man. Colin, how we doing? How we doing? Yes, I did. Yes, I know, Primal. I know. Criminal. Criminal, 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 criminal. Criminal, criminal. That's a big dip there. It's a big dip, boys. 30-second 1K easy. Yeah, that's pretty crazy. Took the equal lows from August 6th to 7th. ICT said he was interested in those. Ooh. Sounds like manipulation to me. It looks like manipulation again. That's a big drive lower. Gonna see what happens here. Gonna see what happens. Take that. I know. Whoa. I called this literally 5-minute failure swing, changing the state here. It's all good. It's all good. We're about to be crazy criminal, demon-like. We're about to go crazy on this chart, boys. Let's go. Just short it. I'm not shorting it after that. Did Trump tweet at all? Let me see. Let's see here. 9 minutes ago. the Republican nominee for Florida State Representative 9 minutes ago. He's posting all these freaking Congress people. It's hilarious. There's no way that made that move that market like that though. No Trump tweet. How'd you get the candle on the right? It's an indicator, boys. It's an indicator. Alrighty, make sure you guys like up the stream. Make sure you guys use code Ben. Our TikTok is doing amazing right now. Almost 20,000 likes. We have almost 300 people in here. The YT's got almost 400. Let's like up the stream, boys. Let's get it going. We're going to catch a banger for you, boys. We are going to catch a banger for you. What's the indicator called? Right here. HTFP03. The very top one. Why'd you laugh? Stop laughing. Because he's posting pictures of senators and we're dumping hundreds of points. All right, let's see what we get here. Let's see what we get. We're probably going to want to come and resweep these lows. Probably going to want to come and resweep these lows. Once we resweep these lows, I'm going to be long in the Jones out of this. When you say heavy on evals, how many units are you talking? I mean, I'm trying to pass as quick as possible. 1 or 2 trades. 1 or 2 trades. Chief, how we doing, my boy? Thank you for tuning in. Welcome back. Welcome back. Yeah, Chad. Ideally, this was my whole idea, right? Was this sweep here of these lows. And then get an expansion here. So ideally time and price, right? This 15 is not going to give us that whole reversal. This is the displacement. So the next one's probably going to need to doji us. So we're probably going to need to sit here and chop for a little bit, and then we'll end up turning around. So this is not going to be the displacement candle that I'm going to be looking for. Unless this 15 absolutely flips and starts wicking up here, then we'll start to look for some longs. But I think time and price is telling us that we're just in the displacement here. I want to see this 5-minute sweep here, maybe get a new 5-minute open and have that start to flip. So I'm probably going to wait for a resweep of these lows, and then we'll start to engage here into the longs. These lows did get swept. The 4-hour lows did get swept. I mean, we are mega bearish, but again, look at, I mean, this is insane. Look at this. Wow. He did say that, but I don't know if this is how it was supposed to happen. I did say it. I did call this to a T, boys. Did call this to a T. Let's see if we start to get an entry here. See if we can get an entry. We're gonna create a 5-minute here in 2 minutes. I want to see how we react to that. I want to see how we react to that 5-minute. Are you waiting for an inverse to enter? Yeah, an inverse or something. I mean, this 5 minutes gotta close pretty hefty. Gotta close pretty hefty. I think if this fair value gap up here, this 5 minute that's already been respected. Once this goes, we're gonna run all this LR. This is all gonna get ran. Yeah, we just have a lot of targets up higher, boys. A lot of targets up higher. This 5 minutes starting to look good. We'll see here. We'll see. Pretty sure that's the low wick of the hour. Yeah, that should be. That should be here. I'm gonna see how we react here. Rather wait for the 10-minute to inverse. I don't look at the 10-minute. Just being honest with you. Do not trade the 10-minute. We got 20K likes on TikTok. Like up the stream, boys. Let's get to 30K. Run it up. Run it up. We're about to catch a dub here. We're about to catch a dub. Just waiting for this to deliver higher. I'm going to wait to see the flip of this. The flip of the hourly is going to be here. I want to see how we react off this change in the state. If we get another change in the state, if we get a failure swing down here, and then we get another change in the state, I'm going to look to long this. Like, I would love to see this come here, I mean, maybe even sweep this low. If we get a change in the state here, I'm gonna look to long this here. Look at the 7-minute, bro. Oh my goodness. Wow. How'd you get the relative lows from August 6th and 7th? What do you mean? I didn't mark those out. ICT was talking about those. ICT was talking about those. Bro, look at the 1 second chart. Look at the 5 second chart. Look at the 67-minute chart. Y'all are crazy. I trade the 1 day time frame. Me too. What'd you say to my comment? What minute are you entering on? I'm not sure. It'll probably be the 1 minute. It'll probably be the 1 minute. Let's see how we react out of here, boys. See how we react out of here. There's the 5 minute. I trade the 1 year. It's hilarious. This is chopped now? No, it's not necessarily chopped. I mean, we did expand a lot. We've already moved a couple hundred points. Made 900 on 2 XFAs, the other 2 need 300 per day from max awaiting. Love it. Love it, love it. Should pump in the next few minutes. Yeah, we're gonna see here. Once we get the sweep of these lows, we'll see if we can find some sort of reaction here. Look at the 10-minute chart because Messi's the GOAT. Yeah. D, how we doing, my boy? What's going on, boss? I'm waiting for the sweep of these lows here, boys. Waiting for the sweep of these lows. Hopefully the 5 minute kind of aligns with us around here. I need to see this kind of stall here for a little bit. Have the next 5 minutes sweep this and then start to turn up. We're gonna have a big unfilled gap here. We'll see if we are gonna start to find the upside here. You're very patient. I appreciate it. I appreciate it. I'm a very patient trader, boys. For those of you that do know me, I am very patient. We're about to have a huge unfilled 5 minute. Glad you didn't enter here seeing interlong. Glad you didn't enter here seeing some interlongs here. Yes, I'm not in longs yet. Oh man. Bex needs to crack. There we go. Alright, boys, let's see if we get the expansion lower here. Once we sweep these lows, we might be game over here for the longs. We're gonna have a new 15-minute open here. Gonna have a new 15-minute open. Where's our VWAP at? Oh, we're below VWAP. Don't worry, code Ben was used. Love it, love it, love it. Yeah, if you guys do not follow your rules, and you trade irresponsibly, use code Ben. Other than that, use code Ben if you are a good trader. Use code Ben always. Use code Ben to get the best discount. Apex Trader Funding 90% off. Lucid is amazing. Volume weighted, average price. 4 hours so bearish. We are. ES is reswept. ES has reswept. There's the change in the state there. Primal. All right, boys. Do you always trade with the VWAP? Not always. Not always. We got a new 5-minute opening here in 15 seconds, boys. 15 seconds. Yo, DD, invest in stocks. Any recommendations? Yes, I'm not very vocal about what I invest in. Ben's got a great options play in his Discord. VWAP's on your chart. I use that for a confluence. Love it. Use SMTs? I do. I do. Let's see what this 5-minute wants to do. See if this 5-minute wants to be an open, low, high, close. If we get the flip on the 5-minute here, it's going to look lovely. It's going to look lovely, lovely. I want a full port eval so bad. Yeah, no worries. VWAP's volume weighted average price. The average word price and volume. Camelot's still locked in, but yeah, Camelot's been inactive here, boys. TikTok, we're at 24,000 likes. Like up the stream. Get it rolling. Get it rolling. We're being patient here, boys. Not a whole lot here. Once we resweep these lows, I'm going to look for the longs. I am going to look for longs once we get the sweep of these lows here. We shall see. He's slacking. I know he's slacking. I know he's slacking. I would never slack on Deej. Love it. Yeah, we got 370 people in here. Thank you guys for tuning into the YT. Does not protect the lows since it swept the equal lows? No, not necessarily. I really want to just get a resweep here. Let's see what ES is doing. Let's see what ES is doing because ES has already swept those lows. We might have an SMT at the lows here. Maybe stupid. What's a protected low? It's a low that was swept inside of a fair value gap, swept liquidity, so it should be protected. We do have a SMT at these lows here, boys, but I want ES to resweep these. I need NQ to resweep these too. Do have a 2-minute here. Two minutes about to go inverse. Problem is, let me see here. I'm not in this long yet, boys. I'm kind of just waiting here. Kind of just waiting. 2-minute just went. 5 minutes about to give us a change in the state. Might see if we can get a pullback down in here. I might see if we can get a little bit of a retracement here. Let's see if we can get a little retracement back down to this inversion. It's gonna take these highs, so I'm just not gonna be interested in this here. Are you in this long? I'm not, no. Going to be patient here, boys. Going to be patient. We do have an unfilled 5-minute above us. VWAP's coming down here. I'm not in this long yet, boys. I'm not in this long. I'm gonna see if we can't come down in here. If we just fail all this, I want to make sure we're not going to be. I took it. Pray for me. Yeah, I'm gonna wait here. I don't. What up, Primal? Yeah, I know. Right here. I know. I saw it. Erg. I know. Brr. Yep. We're inside this 5-minute. See what happens here at VWAP. What up, Ramondo? How we doing, my boy? Should I go break even because we tapped the 5-minute? Yeah, if you're in that, I would go break even since you're in this 5-minute now. I know there's a reason you didn't take it, just asking. Yeah, I mean, I didn't like this down here. Yeah. We'll see, boys. We'll see. We'll find another entry here. We'll find another entry. Find another entry. Let's see what happens here, boys. Let's see what happens here. For value gap entry, yes, we'll see here. 5-minute. We'll see if we can get a little re-entry here. I want to see how we react off VWAP. Also in this 5-minute gap. Also in this 5-minute gap. This is criminal, dude. This is criminal. Alright, let's see how we react to VWAP. Look at this hourly starting to flip. Got in to see if the 1-minute rejection block that slipped liquidity also aligned with the OT range. Love it, my boy. Love it, love it, love it. I'm gonna see how we react off VWAP here. If we get like a change in the state here, I'm gonna try this. 20 points. Bouncing right off the VWAP. Stop loss above the highs. We'll TP at these lows. See if we can get a change in the state here. Alright, sorry boys, I was on the phone. I'm here, boys, I'm here. Sorry, boys, sorry. Alright, let's see here, boys, let's see. Let's get it, let's see here. Changed since Spain, he looks different. This is not Ben. This is not Ben, boys. Did you get in? No, I'm not in any trades here. We're gonna be patient. We're gonna wait here. We're coming on a new 30-minute candle here. Alrighty, boys, we are pushing here. I am gonna wait. We do have a 30-minute candle opening in 2 minutes. Boys. We do have another hourly candle opening in another 30. I want to see what this 30-minute wants to do. If we want to make the top wick and just start to expand, we'll look to take some shorts, but. You cut your hair? No. I did not know. Alrighty, boys. Alrighty. Let's see what's gonna happen here. This 15 minutes gonna look very strong. Very strong. Ooh. Make sure you guys like up the stream. If you guys are joining on the YT or the TikTok, make sure you guys like up the stream. Let's get it rolling. 30-minute candle in a minute 30. Just did a 20 shift on the oil field. Got done from the gym. About to head home and trade. Love it. Damn, this 15 minutes about to give us a change in the state in a minute if we get up here. We'll see. We shall see, boys. We shall see. You think entering before a higher time frame candle closes is stupid? Yeah, I don't really like I would not enter right here with that 30-minute about to form. Wow, look at that hourly, bro. Look at that hourly. $20 seconds till that 15 closes. $26K like 27K likes. Like up the stream, boys, on the TikTok. Thank you so much. Appreciate it. This is NQ. Wow, that hourly candle closed so bullish. Look at the 15-minute change in the state too. Look at that 30. Close bullish, I know. Make sure you guys use code BEN on all firms, boys. Code BEN on all firms. Alright, no entries here so far. We're starting to get above VWAP now. This is an inversion now. See if we can get a test back into this inversion. D called it before open. Did indeed call it, but we're still flat. This is crazy, bro. Bottom tick longs on Top Step Live. Love it. What are the other confirmations you're waiting on? I would have entered that long. Yeah, I know. Yep, I would have entered right here. And I should have. But it's okay in hindsight. I'm working on some new stuff, so it's a-okay. It's a-okay. Why did you not enter off the 5 minute? Because we're more than likely going to pull back and come retest this. So we'll see if we can get a retest here. In at 455 with 3 minis. Wow. But I'm a Deej super follower now. Love it. 2 minute inversion. Yeah, we also have a 5. We'll see what happens here. See what happens. Maybe we want to get a pullback to OTE here. Maybe we'll get a pullback to OTE. I'm Donatello, by the way. Appreciate you for tuning in, Donatello. Missed the 2 minute inversion? Yeah, I wouldn't have even taken the 2 minute. You have a 5 minute here and a 3 minute. That 2 minute doesn't matter. I mean, this 2 minute down here, yes, but say okay, boys. Say okay. Went break even in the 5 minute. Love it. Love it. Love it, love it. Gonna see if we can't find an entry here. Shorts to 508? No, I'm not gonna take any shorts here. $15 minutes looking mega bullish here. Wow. Bro's face card is crazy. Should have been a model. Appreciate it. Wanted the line, but didn't give me an F705 after I've been losing all week. It's all good, my boy. All good. Crazy trend line to take to the upside. I know. I know. We are tapping off that hourly OB again. If it goes like this, it's gonna hit 600. Yeah, we'll see. We'll see. We're chilling that view up now. What do you think of the 455 entry? That's insane. How'd you get that? I mean, you're up 100 points. Compare this to dumb New York session. Yeah, I mean, it's okay. It's alright. It's alright. Missed the entry. It's okay. Oh man. A-okay, boys. A-okay. Only have 7 left after blowing about how much should I risk or full port? Full port that. Don't full port it, but I mean, if you're that close, I mean, there's no point. All right, let's see here, boys. Let's see what happens here. I want to see what this 5 minute wants to do. I want to see what this 5 minute wants to do here. We just got another 5 minute open. You think trading's became way more manipulated since the war started? Yes. I mean, we've just been all over the place. We had a 100-point candle off open. Make sure you guys like up the TikTok stream. We're at 30,000 likes, boys. 30,000 likes. Make sure you guys like it up. Go crazy. Go crazy. I'm going to take this view up off my screen here. Here's the 5 minute. This 5 minute goes inverse. We're gonna run all this LR. We want to retrace? Yeah, we do. All right, we're gonna see here, boys. We're gonna see. That's that higher 5 minute. It does not look like it wants to retrace. It does not. So, gonna see the problem with taking this inversion here is we have all this to come rebalance. Like it's just I can't hold my stop there, bro. Way too big of a stop. No, it's just no retracing. Yeah, I know. Just smack full TP. Got in there 454. Love it, my boy. Love it, love it. Everything's pumping. Look at oil. Yeah, I mean, it's gold pumping. Yeah. You missed on a big one. You could say it again, my boy. Please say it 5 more times. You've said it like 10 times. You want to see my payouts or... Mad annoying, bro. Like, I missed a trade. Awesome, cool, y'all. We're gonna catch another trade. A-okay. People be hating. Yeah, it's all good. I hope y'all understand my patience is top tier. I hold myself accountable for the things that I do, and my patience is above all top tier, I promise you. My narrative was right on point. Everything, I called it. Want to see these low swept and then V-shape here. I just, again, it's one of those mental hurdles of knowing I have hundreds of people watching me. I would have taken this without hesitation, but it's just, we'll see. We'll see. I'll start pumping some entries here, boys. We'll start pumping some entries. We love you, bro. Appreciate it. Appreciate it. How long do you stream for? Usually a couple hours. All good, Deej. We'll find an entry. Yeah, we're going to find an entry here, boys. We're going to find an entry. Just to let you know, I'm going to be a little bit more aggressive here now. So, yeah, don't full port your stuff. All good, brother. I think today has good upside overall. Hard time for CSC to come to play. Don't expect 1% from Egypt, brother. Marcus Thompson will be that much in the whole day. Yep, exactly. One sec, boys. Alrighty, boys. 4 hours nearly turning bullish. Yeah. Crazy 4-hour candle. I know. Wild 4-hour candle, boys. Wild 4-hour candle. You think it's just gonna keep pumping? We'll see. We'll see here. No pullbacks at all is insanely brutal. Yeah. Hi, New Ben. My name is DEEJTRADESS, boys. Make sure you guys tune into the streams daily. We are here live, 7:30 p.m. Eastern. Look at that hourly candle. It's about to give us an hourly change in the state here too. No retrace is brutal. This guy is so afraid to take a trade. Yeah, bro. I know. Lost everything on shorts. It sucks. It's all good, my boy. It's all good. All good, my boy. 5-minute rejection block might give us a temporary retrace, pushing to further ELR, LR. Yes, exactly. I think I still like the downside. This looks like manipulation. I don't know if it's manipulation. The hourly candle is going to close very strong here. Close very strong. 30-minute here is about to give us a change in the state. I mean, we're probably gonna get a retest at the next, 15-minute here. 5 minutes starting to come here. All right, let's see here, boys. Low resistance liquidity run, just like Deej predicted. Exactly. Bulls are back for the rest of the week. I'm not sure. I'm not sure. We'll see here. Not sure. Let's see this 15-minute candle. We got a minute till this 15-minute. 5 starting to look bearish here. All right, let's see SD. Should come here. I'm off. W stream, boys. Enjoy. Have a good one. Have a good one. Don't let nobody pressure you into taking trades you wouldn't take off camera. Nobody else is here trading in front of hundreds. Exactly, exactly. Like your stamina and your energy. I'll try to tune in more. I did do well tonight, but got my attention to follow you. Appreciate it. Make sure you guys drop follows. My name is DEEJTRADESS. If you guys enjoy the streams, make sure you guys tune in. We're live every single day, 7:30 p.m. Eastern. Be patient. If he rushed and lost money, people will be saying he doesn't know how to trade. If you're impatient, leave and make your own trading decision. DJ, thanks for taking your time. I appreciate it, my boy. I appreciate it. Much love. Much love. Let's see here. I took the trade after listening what you were looking for. Love it, love it, love it. Let's see what we got. 15-minute opens in 8 seconds here. Let's see how we react here. I don't know if this 5 minutes is going to give us the inversion or not. Probably not going to. We'll see what the 15 wants to do. This gives us a change in the state here. I'm gonna give this a whirl on a Apex account here. Failure swing. I want to see a change in the state here. Probably not going to give this to us here. We'll see. We'll see. Failure swing. If we get a change in the state, we'll see if we can get it here. I don't think it's going to give it to us though. Let's see what the 5 minute looks like. There's the open high of that. If we get a change in the state here, I'm going to give this a whirl. I'm going to give this a whirl. Now don't be like that and take my break even spot here. Gonna see here, boys. Gonna see. If we sweep that high, it's not gonna be. What's your thoughts on the shorts? The way this 5-minute candle closed, kind of doji like. I want to see this make the high of its wick and come take the low of this. Camelot, he's here. Camelot is here. Camelot is here, boys. He is here in the flesh. Alright, scratch that idea there. This 5-minute might go inverse here, bro. The slacker himself, yeah. The slacker himself. How you been, bro? Doing good, Camelot. Doing good. Disgusting flip, yeah. If we get a change in state off this candle, I'm in there. I'll give it a whirl. Not looking like it's gonna give it to us. We'll see here. Nope, no close on that. No close on that. One in the chat, Deej is the best streamer ever. Appreciate it, appreciate it. Yeah, I'm gonna wait for a little change in the state here. We might give this a whirl. This 5 minutes probably gonna flip here. Someone said 2. Let's see here. 15, 5. This 1 minute here. Oh, let's see. We are inside this gap here. Let's see. 15 minute. We're just on a mega change in the state here. Just absolutely getting. Oh, did we get that change in the state? Oh my goodness, we did. Might give this a little whirl here on. Might give this a little whirl. I want to see us come up to this change in the state. That's funny. If you late for DJ stream again, I'm gonna tickle you. That's funny. That's funny. Can we just see some shorts already? I know. I want to see if we can get back up to this change in the state. Might limit it here. I'm gonna set a limit at that change in the state there. Let's see if we can get tagged in. 5 is about to flip. I want to see this just open high. Hope we can get a tag in here. Hope we can get a tag in here. I might drag this a little lower here. All right, I have a limit at 572, boys. 572. I want to see us get tagged in here. That 5 minute looks great. Want to see this get tagged in here. I'm gonna try the shorts here if we get this. Very small risk. Not risking a ton. Oh. Wow. I'm just getting eaten alive tonight, boys. I'm just getting eaten alive. I said I wanted to interrupt the change in the state, and I switched time frames for 2 seconds because I'm doing other shit. And here we go. Wow. Just getting beat up. There's break even. Damn, dude. This is criminal. This is criminal. I'm waiting for the change in the state, bro. Oh. This is beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Waiting for the change in the state, and here we go. It's so unfortunate, bro. So unfortunate. I'm just kidding. rinsed here. Getting rinsed. I want to see if this 5 minutes if we're going to come back up here. See if we get a tap back up here. Again, if we get that failure swing here, and then we get a change in the state here, I'm in there. MQ be like, not today, bro. Yeah, I know. I'm gonna change in the state, so this should be. We'll see. We'll see. I'm gonna wait for a failure swing high here. Wait for this failure swing, and then we'll find the shorts. I still think this comes down. Let's see here. Rejecting out of this 5 minute after sweeping that. 15 minute here. 30 minute. Does that 30 minute have a bottom wick? Very tiny, very small. We have 7 minutes till this next 30 minute candle opens, so if we can get the top of the wick and then expand lower. That's probably what I'm gonna wait for. There's the 5 minute flip. Changing the state, market structure shift. We're probably gonna come retest up here. Let's see here, boys. Let's see. Kind of just locked in here. I'm trying to figure this out. I'm trying to see which. Just top tick shorts. Yeah, we're gonna see here. Want to see us make a little bit deeper dive here. We got a 30 minute open here in 5 minutes, 6 minutes. Want to see what that candle wants to do. If we're gonna open high, low, close, or we're gonna open low. 15 minute candle opening too. Probably gonna make the top of the wick then come down, so I'm gonna be patient here. Going to be patient. What are the keybinds to change time frames? You just type it on the keyboard. So 5 enter, 15 enter, 30 enter. So 15 is gonna close pretty doji like. I'm gonna hope that 15 makes the top of its wick and then expands lower. We shall see. Make sure you guys like it up. We're at 33,000 likes on the TikTok. We are at 400 viewers on the YT. Make sure you guys tune in every single day, 7:30 p.m. Eastern. We are being very patient here, boys. I'm going to try and take an entry here once this 30 minute opens. We got 5 minutes here. 5 minutes till this 30 minute opens. How many likes I'm up? I have no clue, Alan. I can't tell right here. Got the 5 minute inversion too. Yeah, I really want to see this make this high here. Make a failure swing and then continue lower. Trap some people in the longs, then we'll take shorts. Starting to switch structure here. 5 minute change in the state at the top. Yeah, we're gonna wait for this next 15 here. Let's see if we're pushing back below VWAP. Oh, we got VWAP below us. Let's see here. Let's see. Make a failure swing and see if we can't find some shorts here. Bro's locked in. Swear I'm locked. Swear I'm locked, boys. We got let's see, 3 minutes till this this 15 minute open. I think we're gonna I think we're gonna short this. We're about to get a crazy 15-minute close out of this 15-minute rejection block. I want to see this next 15 open up, make the high of its wick, and then displace lower. And honestly, I think we'll make a failure swing here. I think we're gonna be patient. I think the entry is gonna come here, boys. I think we're gonna come here. We're gonna stagger up here. We'll get something like this. We'll get the change in the state, and then it'll happen very quickly. Gonna be patient. We got 2 minutes till this 15 and the 30 open. 2 minutes till the 15 and the 30 open. Oh, I was lifting couches yesterday, bro. My back's killing. Back is killing. Five-minute IFVG. Yeah, I know. We do have a 5-minute IFVG up here. Here's the retest of that. We'll see if this next candle wants to sweep this high here and come up in here, and then we'll look for some shorts. I think we get the shorts here. Changing the stay, market structure shift at the top of this swing here. 5-minute fair value gap. Swept these. Want to see this 15-minute open bring us higher. About to form a 15 too. Yeah, we're about to form a 15 in 2 minutes. In 2 minutes. Let's see here. Let's see. Hopefully we want to send a 5-minute all the way up in here. I'm looking for shorts up here. I'm gonna wait for that failure swing here, and then changing the state. Give us that move to the downside. Hourly open as well. Yeah, we do have an hourly open in here in a minute 30. Wow, this is a disgusting hourly candle. So gross. Wow, this is terrible. What up, DJ? How old are you? I'm 25 years old. 25 years old, boys. 25. 35,000 likes on the TikTok. Get it rolling, boys. 15-minute fair value gap. Got 8 and up. Yeah, if we wanted to see this be bullish structure, I would need to see this make a big breakaway gap. But the fact that we got the 5-minute change of state at the top here, this is going to show me that we're probably going to come up into here. Mark out that OTE and see if we can find a reaction off the OTE here once this next candle opens. I'm going to use the restroom. 1 sec, boys. We're back. New 15-minute candle opening here. Let's see what happens here. I'm gonna clear my chart here. We're gonna clear this. See what the structure is bringing us. All right. 15-minute gap here. Yes, we are retesting a 15-minute breaker block. It's also a unicorn model. It's a 15-minute unicorn. It is a 15-minute unicorn. So we do have a 15-minute fair value gap aligning with a breaker. We'll see if we can't. Yeah, 15-minute breaker block and a fair value gap. Where's the CE line up here? Right at that. Yep. So there's our breaker block. Yeah, it's a unicorn model. ICT talks about it, boys. ICT talks about it. So it does align with the breaker here. Let's see. Where's 50% of this range? A little bit lower, not a problem. We'll see here. We'll see. How does it work? It's when a breaker block and a fair value gap align with each other. It's when a breaker block and a fair value gap align with each other. If we're going to be bullish, this is going to hold. Took the longs to the high, then low hanging fruit shorts. Thanks, Deej. Much love, my boy. So you're taking everything I'm not. Love it. Love it. I want to see this 15-minute hold. Yeah, if we get this change in the state, I'm in here. I'm in this. If we get a change in the state out of here, I'm going to try it. I'm done waiting around. We're going to give it a whirl. All right, I'm in there. Stops below the lows. Stops below the lows here. See if we can get a little continuation to the highs here. Going to give this a whirl. Out of this 15-minute. We're gonna go break even once we sweep some of these internals. All right, off the 15-minute CE. 5 minutes starting to flip here. See if we can get some expansion here, boys. See if we can get some expansion. Hourly open to, made the low. Just want to see this continue higher. Just want to see this continue higher here. Just want to see this continue higher. You were lying when you said you were going to get more aggressive. Yeah, I'm going to try these entries. I've been working on them. I'm not full size in these, boys, so please do not full size risk. I'm not risking heavy. I'm not full risking. Please do not full port these. Like, please just trust the process. I'm gonna take 5 off here. Limit sell. I'm gonna take 5 off at these highs. There's a good push there, boys. There's a good push. There's a beautiful push. There's a beautiful push. Just want to see this expand here. Once we sweep those highs, I'm going to take partials and I'm going to go break even. Wow, beautiful push. There we go. There we go. There we go. Give me a little expansion. There we go. W's in the chat. We're about to hit TP1. There we freaking go. Bang! We're break even. W's in the chat. Let's freaking go. Come on. Aggressive, aggressive, aggressive. Let's freaking go. We're taking 5 more off of these highs. I'm in this. I'm taking 5 more off of these highs, boys. 5 more off of these highs. See if we can get an expansion here. We are break even in the chat. Break even in the chat, boys. 15-minute came in clutch. Let's freaking go. W's in the chat. Y'all want me to take entries back and forth, back and forth. This is what we wait for. 1 minute change in the state on site. It is getting hit on site now, boys. I tell you, I've been working on this. I post this on my X. I've been working on these entries. I saw this all night. I saw this short. I saw this long. I'm just got to start taking it and trusting myself. Let's freaking go. Let's freaking go. W's in the chat. Spam them up. Let's freaking go. The whole idea of this trade, boys, 15-minute gap. It's a breaker block. It's a unicorn model. So this is the breaker block here. We align here. 1 minute change in the state. Let's freaking go. Hopefully we get another partial here. W's in the chat. Let it eat, boys. Let it freaking eat. Give me an expansion here. W's in the freaking chat. Let's freaking go. Come on, boys. Here comes TP2. Where are the haters? Where are they at? Someone tell this kid to go back to the 9 to 5. Yeah, we went there. Now we're back. Now we're freaking back. Let's get it. We are eating, chat. We're up about 700. Partials are taken. Patience, patience, patience. Let's freaking go. We're about to partial more here at these highs. About to partial more at these highs. Yeah, we're going to take those. There's no way we don't, right? Look at that 15. There we go, boys. 15's engulfing here. Let's freaking go. What are we going to target for the long term, boys? We're going to hold this because this is going to run, boys. This is going to run. Whoops. Bang! TP2 in the chat. TP freaking 2 smacked, boys. TP2 smacked. Let's freaking go. W's in the chat. Who's in this with me? We are break even. W's in the chat. Let's freaking go. We are going to let this run. We are floating up about 37 points, boys. 37 points. We do this every single day, boys. We do this every day. Tune in. I promise you my patience is top tier. It is top tier. Y'all are sitting, take trades, Nah, I'm waiting for something that I like. That looks good. This is how we trade, boys. Let's freaking go. What are we targeting? I'm going to target the rest of this LR. Last partial is going to be at 671. 671, boys. Hopefully we can get the trade to absolutely print. Partials taken. W's in the freaking chat. Over $1,000 today off my streams. If you guys take trades that I take, post them on the socials. Post them on TikTok, on Instagram. Tag me. Let's freaking get it, boys. Another day, another entry. Here we go. W's in the chat. We are in there, baby. Let's freaking go. Let's freaking go. W's in the freaking chat. Let's freaking go. Like it up. Like up the stream, boys. The TikTok and the YT. Let's go, boys. Like it up. Let's freaking go, boys. W's in the chat. Bang, bang, bang. Bang, bang, bang. Bang-a-rang. Tang, tang. Come on. Man on fire. We are on fire, boys. On fire. Great expansion here. Payout secured. Let's freaking go, Ramundo. Let's freaking go. W's in the chat. Next time I'll follow you heavy. Let's go. Let's go, boys. Can you break down what you saw and why? Yes, I'm going to let this run here, though, for video purposes. But make sure you guys like up the stream. Like up the stream. Got scared when you went out before this trade. Great job, G's. As always, W fucking DJ in the chat. Come on, baby. We do this. We do this every freaking day, boys. Every day. Let it run. Let it run. Let it freaking eat, boys. Let it eat. Let it eat, boys. WDJ, 3 more days till my first payout after 3 years. Love it. Love it. Love it. Why are we pumping? Because we're pumping. Because we are pumping in the chat, in the chat. I am probably going to take... I'm going to take 3 more off here at 615, boys. 615. I'm going to take 3 more off. 615. W's in the chat, boys. Let's get it. You're the man. Tons of buy-side liquidity. Here we freaking go. We got all this LR to run, boys. All this LR to run. This is all getting tagged. This LR is about to get absolutely ran through. Absolutely ran through. You are the GOAT. Appreciate it, my boy. Appreciate it. What's your TikTok? If you guys want to know my TikTok and you guys are interested in following me on the socials, I trade here on Benjamin SMC's stream. We are live every single day here for Asia. This is my socials on all the socials, the IG, the Instagram, UYT, TikTok, all that. Make sure you guys drop follows. Tune in every single day. Let's freaking go. Drop follows. Let's go. We are crazy. Here comes another partial, boys. Another partial. Choo-choo in the chat. Let's go. Deej, a 1 minute change in stage, just a 1 minute candle close above. Yes, so see how this candle closed above this candle here? Beautiful, out of a point of interest. I'm in there. I'm up 10K today because of you in the New York session and this session. You're up 10K because of me? Oh! W's in the chat! Let's go! Let's freaking go. W Deej. Can you shake some for that W? If I wasn't on YouTube where it was YT where it wasn't recorded, I would be. Come on! Let's go, babies. Let's get this man paid. Here we go. Let's get me paid. I don't hear y'all talking now. Y'all just gotta wait. How tall are you? 6'5". 6'5". No, I'm just kidding. I'm probably 5'10". 5'10". On a good day. On a very good day. Y'all want to say hi to the doggy? The Cashy? Come here, mister. Say hi to the stream. We're catching dubs. We're catching dubs. Mwah. Say hi to the stream, Mr. Cashy. Say hi to the stream. I love you. Mwah. Mama's gonna be home soon, okay? All right, get down. Same bro, we is tall? Nah, I ain't that tall, home dog. Ain't that tall, home dog. Bono, WDJ. He's a 4-2 dog. Yeah, low key, low key. W dog, let's get it. Wanted lower long off 0.68, but it went. It's all good, my boy. All good. In the chat. I have a pug. Love it. Love it. Come on, boys. W's in the freaking chat. Let's go. How many trades do you normally take in Asia? I try and take a couple. Ramondo, W's in the chat. Great job today. Love the patience. Appreciate it, boys. Spam those W's. Type a W in the chat if you're holding this with me right now. Who is in this trade with me right now? Let me know. W's in the chat. Spam them. Spam them. We're up almost $1,000 right now floating. Let's get it, boys. Let's get it. Lots of W's in the chat. Lots of W's in the chat. Mike S is in this. Gawillo, Tayer, Haiti, Alex, Cole, WDJ, WWW. Alrighty, boys. I need you to, on the YT, I need you to spam W's. Not the same person spam the W's, but I need everyone to spam the W's. I'm about to make a story. About to make a story. Here we go, boys. Spam the dubs. Spam the dubs. Alrighty, boys. Beautiful entry. We are live on stream right now. We're up about 50. Hold up. Sorry. Retake. Keep spamming. Keep spamming. 50 points. Alright, boys. Get it rolling. Spam them. Spam them. Spam them. Alrighty, boys. We are live on the TikTok and the YT. We're up about 50 points in an absolute banger right now. Everybody is eating here. We got almost 400 people on the YT. Printing W in the chat. If you guys are not tuning in, we are live every single day, 7:30 p.m. Eastern. Make sure you guys tune in. Let's get it. Come on, boys. W's in the chat. W's in the freaking chat. Spam them up. Let's go. Come on. Let's go. Let's get it. Bless you on my next 10K. Bro, I got to bless you on my next 10K max lucid payout. Hit me up. Venmo me that shit. No, I'm just kidding. I don't need anything, my boy. Let's go, boys. Alright, boys, we are live on the TikTok and the YT. Let's go! W's in the chat. W's in the chat. W's in the chat. Do you not have any lag with orders on TradingView? No, I don't. Let's freaking go. Bata smack TP freaking 3, boys. TP3. If you guys are joining on the YT, make sure you guys like up the stream. If you're joining on the TikTok, make sure you guys tune in every single day. Make sure you guys tune in every single day, boys. Confluence for the trade. 15-minute unicorn model. 15-minute unicorn model. Are we about to inverse this 5? Oh, we got the 5-minute inverse here, too. Oh, we're golden. Golden. This should pump. This should pump. Are you always in the Asia session? I am. Yes, I handle all the Asia sessions. All the Asia sessions. You are so entertaining. I appreciate it. Just follow the Insta. Like up the Instagram photo, boys. Like it up. Something I've noticed in Asia, I wanted to check if you agree. During your game, I think checking ES is very important, but in Asia, I think it's much less important. Yes. I love that analysis. 38,000 likes on the TikTok. Make sure you guys like up the stream. Get it rolling. Type a 1 in the chat if you're still holding this with me. Why'd you take the trade? Can you explain it? Yeah, I'll go over a trade recap once this is all done. Once this is all done, boys. Your Insta's fresh? I know. Check that shit out, boys. Check it out. Come on. Here comes TP3. Here comes TP3. Let's freaking go. The whole idea with this, boys, is look at this 15-minute, right? 15-minute change in the state here, right? We get a low, high, lower, low, V-shape recovery. We get a market structure shift on the 15. I'm now looking for internal to external. What do we have right here? We have a unicorn model, right? Look at, here's our breaker. aligns with the fair value gap. Look right where we come to. Look right where that entry comes into. Right to the center, right to the CE of both of those. So when I'm in that point of interest, right, 1 minute change in the state, I'm in there. I'm comfortable taking that. So close to invalidation. I'm working on starting to see these things a lot quicker. So we're gonna see if we can hold this. I really want to see this hold here. It's gonna have to start holding in this 5 minute, but we should be good. Should be good. One sec, I gotta check some. Let me check this here. Take your profits. I'm good, my boy. I'll let them run. I'll let them run. I will let them run. I'm gonna let them run, boys. Forming nice 4-hour bullish engulfing. We are too. We are. All right, boys. We'll see here if we can get an expansion here. Want to see this start to expand. Want to see this start to expand here. Let's get it. Let's get it. We're floating up about $1,000 on the accounts right now. Let's go. Let's go. Stop loss at break even. Stop loss is at break even, boys. Stop loss is at break even. I'll put it there so we know. Look at my chart history, my chat history. I will look in a sec, my boy. Alrighty, let's get it, let's get it, let's get it. Stop loss is at break even, boys. Stop loss is at break even. Let's get it, let's get it. We need to start to see this hold. I like this slow stagger down though. I do like that. I want to see this 5 minute start to hold. It might be the lower one that we're gonna come tag, but it'll be okay. It'll be okay. Can we re-enter off from the 5 minute fair value gap if you want? I am not going to. All right, this is gonna start to have to turn here. I'm 60 years old. I've been training for 20 years. Congrats, my boy. Love it, love it. What do you want me to say? My elder, Unk. Alrighty, boys. Let's see if we can get the flip here. Look at my chat. What chat? I don't know what you're talking about. Bro, he's saying get out, get out, get out, close the trade, close the trade, close the trade, close the trade, get out, get out, get out, get out. Bro, I'm fine. If I want to hold this, I'm fine. You've been trading for 60 years, I get it. But if I want to hold this, I can hold it. Like I'm already up almost $800. Like I'm fine. I don't need. If this takes me out of break even, I don't care. That's the point of taking partials. Just because you have my ad here, low key, I might add. What happened to the get out, get out, get out, get out, get out? I've been trading for 60 years. Yeah. Come on, give me my TP3, baby. Give me my TP3 in the chat. Give me that TP. I'm coming for it all, baby. I'm coming for it all. Let's get it. Nice bounce off the 5 minute. I'm going to take 3 off there. I might just take this here. Yeah, I'm gonna take a 3 off here if we get a little push up here. There we go. Partial at another. I'm gonna take those 3 off. Let the rest eat. Let the rest eat. Let's see if we can get a beautiful trade here, boys. Let's freaking go. W's in the chat. I did just partial a little bit more. A little bit more. I'm gonna put this here. All right, boys. Let's freaking go. W's in the chat. W's in the chat. I'm going to post this here. Boom. There we go. TP3 smacked. Who's still holding this with me, boys? Who is still holding this with me? W's in the chat. Let's freaking go. Let's go, boys. been trading for 69 years. You should give me your profits. That's crazy. That's crazy. Yeah, there's the retest of the 5. I just need to see this 5 make the lowest wick, retest this change in the state, and then flip back up. We're going to run all this LR. I just want to see this hold here. Just want to see this hold here. Partialed again, boys. TP3. TP3 was at, let's see here, 60 points. TP3 has 60 points. W's in the chat. So now this is just runners. Let's see if we can let him eat. See if we can let him eat, boys. What's LR? It's this stuff right here. All this generated liquidity. It's basically just a trend line. W's in the chat. Who's holding it with me, boys? Who is holding it with me? Who is holding it with me? Let's get it. Entered off that second 5 minute because you pointed that out. Snipe. I did call that out. Y'all are just taking my analysis and just taking trades left and right, huh? About to get pissed. Y'all are making more money than me. I can only trade Asia due to time zones. Should I trade New York to be profitable? Sorry for you asking so many questions. You're all good, my boy. Ask as many questions as you want. Yeah, trade Asia. It's slower. It's easier. But yeah. Congrats on the wedding. Appreciate it, boys. Appreciate it. Your patience is great. We waited all session, boys. All session for this trade. But we did indeed catch a dub. Look at this. We would have caught the entry down here. This would have been insane, but it is what it is, boys. It is what it is. We are in a banger trade. We are up currently 60 points, floating TP. 60 points up. Let's freaking go. Holding till London's crazy. Yeah, I mean, I'm gonna hold this till we run the rest of this LR. I might even take another partial off here. Limit sell. We're gonna do 1 here. I'm gonna take 1 off at the top of this LR, and then we'll take the rest off up at these 671 highs. The 671 highs. TP4 about to get smacked. I've been doing Forex, but started doing NASDAQ because of your lives. What's the best funding I should get for MNQ? Apex Trader Funding is 90% off with code Ben. Lucid Pros are great. They're 1-day passes with code Ben. The Lucid Flexes are great. Lucid's awesome in general. TPT is amazing. But yeah. What gave you the idea to start trading Asia Session? I've always traded Asia Session. I loved it. I was always the guy that was like, dude, trade Asia. It's so much chiller. It's slow. You can have some time to think about things. Like New York's just, if you're not ready for it, you're not ready for it. So make sure you guys, yeah, if you're gonna trade Asia, just be disciplined, right? Just be disciplined. Full TP's coming in at 123 points, boys. 123 points. Hopefully we can catch the dub. It's Tuesday, so it could be low week. Yeah, it is. It is. I would love to see Wednesday start to rebalance us here. D's just about to tag the 5-hour fair value. Yeah. All right. All right, buddy. Hello, TikTok. We got 38,000 likes, boys. Like up the stream. YT, how we doing? Like up the stream on the YT. How many likes do we have on the YT? If you're not in there liking it right now, like up the stream on the YT. Bro's a Jinxie fan. I love Jinxie. Jinxie's so funny. FOMC meeting tomorrow? I know. The RR here is crazy. 3.46 to 1. Full TP is at a 7 to 1 RR. Let's go. Come on, baby. All right, let's see if we can hold this here. See if we can hold this. Are you trading New York tomorrow? Not on my channel, no. I'm not. Come on, boys. W's in the chat. Who's still in this with me? How much have you guys made on this trade with me? Let me know in the chat. If you guys take these trades with me, please, please, please post them on social media. Tag me on the X. Tag me on the TikTok, YT, Instagram, all that good stuff. How many currently accounts you trade with? Also, can you give us maximum accounts for props? I trade a lot of accounts. A 5 minutes, not a good 5 minute there. I don't like that. I'm gonna drag my stop here, boys, to. I don't know if I want to drag it to that low. We're gonna let it run. It's one micro, or it's 2 micros. We're chilling. Let's see. Giveaway? No giveaway. I don't have any accounts to give away right now. Up 300 so far. Still got the runner. Love it. Love it. Yeah, we're just letting runners eat, boys. Just letting the runners eat. Maybe we can get a sweep at this 5-minute low and then turn back up. The 15's not looking very strong. We got 3 minutes till this 15 closes. The 15 closes bearish. It's going to take this wick here. I don't know if we'll turn back up from there, but we'll see. We shall see here, boys. We are break even, though, so there's no stress in the trade. No stress in the trade. We're going to sit here and chillax, boys. Sit here and chillax. 651 micro running left. Love it, my boy. Love it, love it, love it. Love it. Love it. You going live tomorrow morning? No, I'm not. No, I'm not. Not live tomorrow morning, boys. Let me bring my seat up a bit. How can you tell if someone's paper trading? If there's a TP and a stop loss right next to this. You can also see my Trade of 8 logo in the bottom corner here. Alrighty, boys. W's in the chat. W's in the chat. Not seeing my comment, Scar. Sorry, things are moving so fast. What'd you say? Bro, I got an entry at 479. Press sell instead of buy. No way. Oof. Sorry. Use code Ben if you lost your account. I feel so bad. I'm sorry. In around 15 micros. Got it at 1500 and eval pass. Love it, my boy. Love it, love it, love it. However, there is a no thing or two. However, when there is to know a thing or two, I have no idea what you're saying. However, when there is to know a thing or two, I know a thing or two. Poopy, how we doing, my boy? Poopster. Poopyster. Find a short for me? I would not be shorting this right now. We've inversed everything. We're just going to finish running this LR here. Just want to see the stagger higher. Made it back from 515 though. Rookie mistake. It's all good, my boy. It's all good. How many micros did you start with? I think it was a mini. No, it was 15. 15 micros to start with. Took 5 off here at this high. We took another 5 off of these external highs. And then we took 3 off at our next draw over here. It was these highs up here. So we got all of our partials out, boys. Got all the partials out. Why are you getting all these people paid me on highlights? I know. Seriously though, you don't think price will reject from that 5-hour fair value gap? I don't use the 5-hour fair value gaps, I'm sorry. I just don't. Yes, these are on my Apex accounts, boys, on the Apex. We're floating a little bit over 1100 right now. $1,100 in profit, boys. Once we take this last partial, we're gonna let the last one eat. We're gonna let the last one eat. I do not use the 5-hour. Y'all want me to stay on? Y'all want me to stay here grinding or what? Y'all want me to leave? Let me know. Stay or leave. We're at almost 40,000 likes on the TikTok, 200 views. Let's freaking go. W's in the chat. You wouldn't short after seeing the 5 and 15-minute candle? No, I would not. Nope. We're just in bullish structure. We're running this LR. Our last target. After we take this, we have relative equal highs here. We have LR to target. I mean, we're coming up, my boy. We are coming up. Man, y'all mean to me? What do you mean, Santiago? We just don't use the 5-hour, my boy. It's not a very well-used time frame. About to get off? No, I'm gonna wait for this to hit TP. Should I hold your same trade, bro? I mean, I would. I'm floating profit right now. Stay. Love it. Love it. Let's freaking go. Shorting the LRLR and strong draws up is not the best call right now. Yeah, I'm not shorting this. I'm gonna wait for us to run this LRLR. The whole idea here, I called this out. If you guys saw me call this out, this 5-minute, this is the last fair value gap to hold us here. This is the last fair value gap to hold us. So once this got inverse, all we're doing is inversing it, respecting the inversion, and we're gonna expand. We have to finish running all of this LRLR, this trend line liquidity here. So I'm taking a partial there, and if we can get an expansion up to here, we'll see if we can get it. I'm gonna trail tighter once we take that TP, but that's the whole idea here. Is just that 15-minute gap. Wanted it to hold. Entered off the change in the state here. So yeah, that's the trade idea. Literally played out exactly like you thought. Good calls. I literally called this to a T, boys. Called it to a T. Should I hold your same trade? Yes. Stop loss at 568 though. Good. 568. Yeah. I mean, it could come resweep this and then go, but I don't think it's going to as high as we are. As high as we are. I called this to a T, boys. To a T. Called this out. Let it rock. Let it rock. Let it roll. Let's get it, boys. Hopefully we can hit TP here. Let's go. W's in the chat. W's in the chat. What candle indicator is that? It's called HTFP03. HTFP03. Let's change the vibes up a little here. How many counts? All the Apex accounts. All of them. All 80 of them. Just kidding. Help me pass my 500s. I can only lose 500 right now. I'm not sure, my boy. Please read my previous comments. What'd you say? What'd you say? I don't see it, my boy. Holding since 29,480. Love it, my boy. Love it. Thoughts for tomorrow morning? I don't think we'll come back down this far, to be honest. I don't think we will either. Internet 474 already had consistency for the day on the evals. Along was an awesome call out off the breaker block. It was a beautiful call off the breaker block, boys. Beautiful call. We're failing to push higher here. I might partial one here. I'm gonna partial one off there. Oh, what the heck? Whoa, I bought. Holy cow, that's not what I wanted to do. I meant to sell. I'm just gonna close this here. I'm gonna close this here. I did not mean to do that.
Order filled.
I did not mean to do that. We're gonna be all out there. I'm gonna take that as a partial. I'm gonna take that. I'm gonna take that. We're gonna walk away from this. I should not have done that. This is more likely to come down here. I'm just gonna take the dub here. Damn, that sucks. Misclick. It's all right. It's all right, boys. All right, we are all out of that. W's in the chat. Let's freaking go. W's in the chat. I do not like how we're coming down here. We got the change in the state. Retest that change in the state. We're just gonna continue down. But yeah, no, this is beautiful. We're just stalling here. I'm just gonna take my piece of the pie. Just getting out here. I did not mean to buy. I meant to sell there. This 5 minutes gonna be a 5-minute change in the state. Ideally, we're probably gonna start to come down here. We may come sweep this lower internal here. But ideally, I am all done here, boys. I am all done. I called this 2AT. 2AT called this out today. I'm gonna take a screenshot of this. 60 freaking points. Let's go. W's in the chat. Thank you guys for tuning in. If you guys are not following, I am live every single day, 7:30 p.m. Eastern on Benjamin SMC's YT and TikTok. Make sure you guys tune in. Other than that, make sure you guys follow me on all the socials. TikTok, Instagram, IG, all that good stuff. Make sure you guys react to all this stuff. Thank you guys for tuning in. I'm gonna head out of here. W's in the chat. Thank you guys for tuning in. You guys are awesome. We will be... This 6-year-old doesn't know what he's talking about. What do you mean? Bro, you called the short. You called the short here. You said short. You said it's coming down here. We resweeped that high and we got more displacement. I'm sorry. I'm not closing my position right here. Once we start to fail and fail and fail, then I'm comfortable closing. But right here, I'm not closing this. I'm sorry. You've been trading for however long. I appreciate you, but it is what it is. Alrighty, boys. Thank you so much for tuning in. You guys are awesome. We'll see y'all in the next session. Make sure you guys drop follows. We are live every single day, 7:30 p.m. Eastern. Thank you guys for tuning in. We will see y'all in the next one. Much love. Tag me on all the socials if you guys took that trade. Thank you for tuning in. Thank you for tuning in. Appreciate it. We'll see y'all tomorrow, 7:30 p.m. Eastern. Benjamin will be live 9:20 p.m. or 9:20 a.m. Eastern. Make sure you guys tune in for his stream. He will be live. Other than that, thank you guys for tuning in. We'll see y'all in the next sesh. Peace.